show you guys how to make a delicious gut-loving and skin-loving snack. I am making my Collagen Peach Beauty Bites using the On The Glow Beauty Dust. I'm using the peach flavour. So you're going to need one little sachet of these. I've also got the Happy Way vanilla protein powder. I'll be using a scoop. I've got some almond meal here, some almond butter. I'm using coconut syrup as my sweetener of choice today, something a little bit different. And then I've just got a tablespoon of coconut oil, which I've melted. So that's for the inside of my little balls that I'm making. And then to coat them, I'm going to be melting some white chocolate. You can also use dark chocolate or whatever chocolate you prefer, but I'm gonna make this a little bit different and use white chocolate today. So to make it, first we're going to pop all of our ingredients, minus the chocolate, into a bowl, mix it together until it becomes nice and sticky. Then we're going to roll it into balls, or you can do it in cubes, whatever you like. Once that's ready, I'll pop that in the fridge to set while I melt my chocolate. Once my chocolate is melted, I'm just going to dip each of my beauty bites into the chocolate, fully coat them, pop that in the fridge to set, and then they will last in the fridge for the whole week, so they make the perfect little on-the-go snack.